Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some mind-blowing details on the upcoming OnePlus 12 that you definitely don't want to miss. Trust me, it's packed with features that'll make your jaw drop. So grab your snacks, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the top 5 massive changes in the OnePlus 12. First up, let's talk about the display. The OnePlus 12 Oriental screen is an absolute powerhouse, boasting a peak brightness of a whopping 4,500 nits. Now, it's not just about the brightness, it's the longevity that steals the show. Thanks to the innovative X1 light-emitting materials and a high-precision vaporization process, this display outlives others by more than double. OnePlus is really stepping up their game in the screen department, and it's a game changer to say the least. Moving on, the RainTouch technology. Initially introduced in the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro, it's back and better than ever in the OnePlus 12. Say goodbye to touch insensitivity after your screen gets wet. Whether you're caught in the rain or gaming with sweaty hands, the OnePlus 12 RainTouch has got you covered. And here's the kicker. It's not just about touch sensitivity. It optimizes all those sliding and pulling down actions too. OnePlus is definitely putting user experience front and center. Now let's talk about keeping things cool. The OnePlus 12's cooling system is no joke. President of OnePlus China spilled the beans on the aerospace-grade Tiangong Cooling System Pro. It's got a massive 9,140 square millimeters cooling VC, covering a total heat dissipation area of 38,547 square millimeters. And that vapor chamber dominance you see in the teaser? It's no joke. With advanced materials like aerospace-grade thermal conductive gel and superconductive graphite, this phone earns the title of the industry's thermal conductivity beast. Next on the list is something that'll make your gaming experience next level, the Bionic Vibration Sensing Motor Turbo. Reports are in, and it's crushing the competition in vibration volume, bandwidth, and starting and stopping speed. Forget about benchmarks. This motor goes beyond what the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers. With over 72 categories and 700+ finely tuned system vibration effects, the OnePlus 12 promises to deliver a sensory experience like never before, whether you're gaming or just navigating through your apps. Last but definitely not least, let's talk audio. OnePlus is introducing holographic audio technology with the OnePlus 12. Imagine projecting up to 12 audio channels simultaneously, each directed towards different spatial directions. It's like having a personal concert in your pocket. The ultra-linear stereo dual speakers are a game changer, upgrading from the OnePlus 11's setup. The center submagnetic ensures exclusive magnetic force distribution, promising a richer and more refined audio output. And there you have it, the top 5 massive changes in the OnePlus 12. What are your thoughts on these innovations? Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to smash that like button if you're as excited as I am about the OnePlus 12. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech goodness. Peace out!